Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Rwanda 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Pumagupi.
Papa says Valdez, Chairman Little.
Yeah. Came in when it's wrong.
Game in sharp, I could clarify something. Today, really more like a fellow. It's all about one thing, Bafana.
Yes.
Now I'm a Pirates fan.
Yes.
I'm an king.
Yes.
With the Fefeli Pirates.
Yes.
Indonesia, like Bafana.
Yeah.
Sure, man. Se have whatever what we have. Offices.
Yes.
Like that guy said, Hugo Bruce. It's our man of the match.
Yeah.
When I'm talking man of the match, I'm
Yeah.
ngamanu khethe lokufuna ukuthanza ungathanzi yakuthola athi kwamanje asiyekele emathini siyekele ushabalala ungenele 10 minutes akanayo le 6 minutes akanayo impiane South Africa favor skip or favor South Africa agents first goal ishaya ngibani konje talent mba why okay babathi yena bathi kuba nomuntu waphethe hayi lokwa police kwa bathi kubande lokungena nge3 years ngokududuza konyana kwa wasingande ketaka koma khope jasibari sithi sikomoto itapana sesibari sikwasha ba asali okay just advantage akumanza fact ukuthi parents ngeke sithi yaruna we know emchana remember sidlale Nigeria kuma penalty what was because of Sundowns. Why singayibali namhlanje? Because of yona iyaleka. But kuna bomrena, kuna bomtawu. Because of one of Kaizer Chiefs leyi ikhetha kuphuma na ku black label bawai.
Out.